All right, everyone, we got a quick little weekend Bitcoin update for you, crypto market update for you. I'll show you how we're trading this action here. Currently sitting short, looking to take this down a little bit here. I'm going to show you my mindset, why I'm sitting short. Going to be looking to flip long, I will tell you right now. I'm going to show you where I am looking to do that at, how this structure is looking to end for me. We're going to zoom out, look at a couple different things, making this quick, making this short and sweet. Let's get into it. Zooming out to the 10-hour, do not mind these boxes. We're going to go over that in one moment. As you guys know, here, I will just get rid of this one as well. Boom. This structure to the upside just does not look finished in any way, shape, or form. I have a nice pump up out of here. I need at least sideways action, one more spike. I need a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. I'm not saying it's going to look exactly like this. I'm not predicting it to look like this, but I'm saying I need something that would look like that for me to call this finished right here. I am looking for a retrace on Bitcoin. How deep we go is up for debate. I'm ready for anything. This could be just a sideways consolidation, but I'm looking for this to be the start wave into a retrace or a sideways consolidation, and much higher, guys, much higher, putting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then consolidate for another fifth. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be my entire finished wave, guys. That's the quick, condensed, fast version of this. We're going to go smaller time frame. I'm going to show you how this wave is looking to finish up. I'm going to show you some similarities in the RSI right now. Before we do that, if you do want to know how I trade using Elliott wave theory, come over to the free Discord pinned in the first comment down below. It is for free. I have a free Elliott wave course in there showing you exactly how I trade, exactly what I'm looking at. It is free right here in the Learn channel of the free Discord. This Discord is so sexy. You want to be in here. There's a premium option to go to upgrade here if you want to check out that. I'm not going to go into detail with that quite yet, but that is there for you as well, showing my trades firsthand. Now, let's go to the 4-hour time frame real quick, and we're going to look at this for 1 second before we go smaller time frame in here and kind of dissect a couple options of what can be playing out. Number one, I'm looking at the 4-hour RSI, guys. We do have bearish divergence kind of setting up on the 4-hour time frame on the RSI. It is not anything I'm too concerned about in the short term, but I am looking for the 4-hour RSI to give us a nice reset, guys. I really am. Would love to see that, and I will be looking to go long down here, probably down at this parallel channel I have drawn. Again, we're gonna zoom in on this in one moment, but hear me out. Probably gonna reset and then put in some actual true, hardcore bearish divergence on the 4-hour that would lead to a bigger correction. Going back in time, you can see a perfect example of that right here, where we did put in bearish divergence in price, and what happened was, RSI fully reset. We put in another set of bearish divergence here, and price actually dumped from that point. I'm not predicting price to, dump like this from that point, but giving you a similar view of how RSI looked with price. This is kind of what I'm looking for. Looking back over here, I do have a parallel channel drawn right here, and I am fully expecting this to channel out like this. Let's zoom in on this right now while we're talking about it. So I am currently short from right here. Boom. Just went short when I drew this parallel channel in here. Really short at the top of this parallel channel. As you know, I was long from down here, longed all the way up to a break of the high in here, and I was looking for a flat to come down. Didn't get that. It just kept kind of going. So now it's on to the next count. Things are evolving, constantly changing counts, constantly keeping up with price action here and evolving to what price action dictates. That's how I roll, baby. And for me, at this point, it's looking like some type of an ending diag, which I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 into a 5. I would love for this channel to maintain. We can have a quick break below the channel and then spike up again. That's perfectly fine. This is one option. I'm going to show you guys another option as well. But that is why I'm short from this level here over on Blowfin. Guys, if you do want to give Blowfin a try, there are no KYC available in United States and Canada and many other countries as well. Chart Junkies has the best initial deposit bonus available on Blowfin right now. You will not find a better one, up to $10,000 in initial deposit rewards. Right here, you can see $450 for only a $1,000 deposit. Pause the screen, read the details. There is trading volume requirements, but these are massive bonuses here that I hooked up for you guys. That is pinned in the first comment down below. Click the link. You will automatically be entered into that bonus. Just sign up with your email. Again, it's no KYC, and you start trading instantly. It's as easy as that. It's what everyone uses now for no KYC. They're similar to Bybit back in the Bybit days when they were no KYC. That's what they're comparable to. Love them. It's what I use. Now, short from right here, I am looking to take this down, you know, already TP'd a little bit, going to TP a little bit more right here, but ultimately want to, in a perfect world, ride this all the way down to the trend line. But I'm looking for, you know, more of a complex correction to follow suit. So probably going to take profit on most of it. Don't want to really sit this part out. And then looking for another correction to come down, maybe a WXY situation. Time will tell, but looking for this to come down to the trend line in which we can give another wave to the upside, slightly break 100K, right? This would break 100K, get up to 103, 104. And then we have the potential, you know, that's our ending wave. We have the potential for either a big, fast correction down, and then we spike back to the highs again and start absolutely shredding to the upside. Or, you know, we could put in more of a sideways style correction. Here, let me get rid of everything. We put in more of a sideways style correction, some type of a flat, you know, any kind of, you know, just shallow correction, and then actually run. That's a possibility as well, guys. Time will tell, but you know, we'll be trading that. There's no doubt about it. Going to be trading this. I think a lot of people are trying to long this here, hoping to catch an absolute monster jam to the upside. I mean, you're at 100K, guys. Let's be real. You're at 100K. If you're longing 100K, how high do you think we go? I don't know. I would just be more willing to trade the ups and downs here, get in and get out, rather than hold and try to hit a home run leverage trading. If you're buying spot, guys, you know, do your thing. Buy your alts on spot, but trading is a whole different beast. You got to understand that. So when I'm looking at these charts, I'm looking at it from a trading perspective, leverage trading, which is, you know, that's what I do, baby. That's what I do. Holding spot is easy. You just buy, hold. It's pretty easy to say the price is going to go up, right? Pretty simple thing to do. You don't need to be watching YouTube to do that. You really don't. Just buy and hold, right? Sell it at a profit, buy back when price is low, hold, right? It's pretty easy concept. There's really no education that's needed on that. I'm going to be real. Now let's look at a different variation that might be at play. Now, you know, I'm still looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 situation, but we couldn't have 1 into a 2, some type of a flat here, or finishing right here. This is 3 coming down for 4 into 5. Pull this right there, make it a little more proportional. Something like this where, you know, we have a more shallow correction. You do not want to come into the start of our wave 1 for this to be valid, but if this is the case, you know, maybe you get some type of a flat correction here, but looking to put in a wave 4 into just a quick wave 5, still breaking 100, coming up to 102, 103, 104, 105. But that is our 5-wave structure right there, just finishing out this entire leg up that we just experienced. Again, we can correct, boom, sharply, and then go. Or, you know, we can give a sideways consolidation and then go. It can, you know, we can give a flat and then go. It can show itself in a plethora of different ways, you know, and that's what I'm going to be watching out for in trading, trying to predict what the path is going to be to the upside. As always, I'm not here to tell you guys, hey, price is going to go up here, because again, you do not need me to tell you that. I guarantee you price will find its way up here. Whether we absolutely dump and then come up here, or whether we shoot straight up here, price will come up here on Bitcoin, guys. There's no doubt about it. But it's how do we get there? Subscribe to this channel if you want to keep understanding how we get there. Like the video if you got something out of this. I'll see you over in Discord. I'll see you over on Blowfin. Trade safe, everyone. I love you.